Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride in this stylish and capable Santa Fe. This midsize crossover delivers confidence and comfort thanks to features like standard driver assistance, a spacious, well-equipped cabin, and standard infotainment tech. Start building your road trip memories. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane keeping assist, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, rear spoiler, traction control, daytime running lights, power windows, AM/FM stereo, power door locks. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.